August 29, another evolution में एक डेट लिखाना चाहूंगा आपको, पीटी में कई बार पूछते भी हैं. August 29, 1947. August 29, 1947. Drafting committee was set up. August 29, 1947. The drafting committee was set up, and they gave a constitution. They gave a constitution. कब दिया उन्होंने? 1949, 26th of November 1949. Now एक पीटी का एक मैं आपको देता हूं. Constitution was adopted on 26th of January 1950 और 26th of November 1949. दोनों में कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? 26th November 1949. The Constitution was became operational from 26th of January 19. Certain articles became operative from Constitution was adopted, तो उसके लिए होगा 26 नवंबर 1949. Constitution became operative 26th of January 1950. Certain articles, as part of the historical evolution of the Constitution, became operative from that day itself. Can we quickly have a list of articles that became operative from 26th of November 1949? One article, Articles of the Citizenship. Articles of the Citizenship 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Not all the articles. It goes up to 11, nahi? Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In case in PT they ask which of the following was not operative from the 26th of November 1949, तो आप इसमें रखेंगे 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Second is Article 60. Oath of the President. Article 60. President's Oath. Article 324. Article 324. EC. Election Commission of India. Elections became operative on that day itself. And certain temporary and transitional provisions. Certain temporary and transitional provisions also became operative. I would like that you write this article also. 379, 380, 388, 392, 393, 394.